Are you tired of rushing in the morning and skipping breakfast? With just a little prep work, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal to start your day off right. Here are 3 make-ahead breakfast recipes that will simplify your morning routine. First up, we have overnight oats. Simply combine rolled oats, your choice of milk, yogurt, chia seeds, and your favorite toppings in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll have a ready-made breakfast that you can grab and go. Next, try making a batch of breakfast burritos. Fill tortillas with scrambled eggs, veggies, cheese, and your favorite protein like bacon or sausage. Wrap them up and freeze them. In the morning, just heat one up for a hearty and satisfying breakfast. Lastly, muffin tin egg cups are a great option for a protein-packed breakfast on the go. Simply whisk eggs with milk, veggies, and cheese. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake until set. Store them in the fridge and reheat in the morning for a quick and easy meal. These make-ahead breakfast recipes will not only simplify your morning routine, but will also ensure you start your day with a nutritious meal. Give them a try and say goodbye to skipping breakfast. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more meal prep tips and recipes.